Hey everyone, in this video we are going to explore an essential skill for anyone working in a Power BI. So how to create a DAX measure? DAX, which stands for Data Analysis Expression, is a formula language which is used to create a custom calculation in Power BI. So giving you the power to derive the insights from your data beyond the basic functionalities. So today I'm going to walk you through how to create a DAX measure and show you how they can be used for calculations like total, average, and more. So basically, let's start with what is DAX measure and what are the DAX measures. So DAX measures are the dynamic calculation that you define with the Power BI using the DAX language. Unlike the columns, which evaluate row by row, measures perform their calculation based on the context of your report, and it makes them incredibly powerful and performing the aggregations and complex calculation. Let's check this with an example. So here is a Power BI interface where I have loaded the data set with the name table 1, and there are few columns: beverage brand, date, expenses, price per unit, region column, retailer ID, revenue, state, and unit sold. So whenever we are working with the DAX, we need to switch it to table view. So let's switch to table view, and here is our data set again. Now we are going to create a DAX measure. So how to create it? First, I am going to click on new measure. So click on new measure, the new formula bar will be enabled here. So I just want to generate the total revenue column. I just want to calculate the sum of revenue column. So enter the measure name, any measure name you can give. So I'm just giving total revenue equals to. So I want to calculate sum of which column? From table 1 revenue column. So you can select directly the column name from here. So this is dataset name from table column name. So close the bracket, and once it is done, commit it. Okay, so basically we have calculated the total revenue value. So we calculate the DAX measure, which sums up all the values in the revenue column. Whenever you add this measure to your report, it will dynamically calculate the total sets based on the filters you're going to apply. Now, how to view that value? So to view this value, we need to switch it to report view first. Switch to report view, add card visual, and then add the field here. So this is a card which I have added, and I'm going to add the field, the one which I have created, the measure total revenue. And this is the overall sum of revenue. So 8.17 million. So again, you can change the format here. If you want to check it in thousands, or if you want to get the value in a millions, billions, however you want, later on you can format this value. So how to create this DAX measure step by step? So once you open your Power BI report, you need to load the data set. You need to switch it to table view, then create a formula and just commit it. And once you commit the formula, how to view that? So how to view that? From here, report view, you can view the value. So the same way, I'm going to create a one more measure. Again, I need to click on new measure here. Again, give the another measure name. I just want to calculate the average value for expenses column. So average expense equals to, I want to calculate average. So AVGE, average. So average from which column? From expenses column. Just close the bracket and commit it. So again, one more measure will be added here. Now, how to view that value? Again, we need to switch to report view. Add another card, or you can work with multi-row card itself here. And then add the field average expenses. This is the average expense value we are getting. So that's a wrap up on how we can create the DAX measure in Power BI. So DAX measures, just remember, are the key features. Basically, these are allowing us to unlock the powerful insights from our data. Whether you're summarizing the totals, whether you're summing the totals, calculating the average, or building more complex logic. So DAX measures are giving you the flexibility to analyze your data the way you need. So, this is about the DAX. Thank you.